We just did a jungle walk from down in the jungle, all walking through there. Now we're coming up to this little bridge across the river. Maybe a bridge too far, but we don't know. We'll have to go up and see. And the kid's going to try to do this holding the camera and walking at the same time. Whoop, already tripped. I took my first step there, see? Alright, we're walking up, holding the camera, holding it tight so I don't drop it. It's a little slippery, a little slippery here because we had heavy rain this morning and all the green stuff is on here. Now we're on the bridge. We're on the bridge here. And it's wood, so I hope it holds up. A lot of people in front of me there. So I'm only doing this one-handed. Kid taking death-defying stuff for the vids here. Alright, sweat's dripping off me. My glasses are even wet from the sweat. But there's the river. A little swollen still from this morning's rain. Speed has slowed down a little bit here. But we're making it across. Kids picking them up, putting them down. Careful not to slip. I don't think I'll fall off if I do, but I may get injured. And the camera may slip out of my hand here. We'll get over to the middle portion. I'll show you a little bit more vid where I can stop. But I hope the camera's not getting fogged up with all this heavy moisture in the air here. Alright, there's the river. It's coming down. There's not a spot here anywhere where there isn't something growing and it's green. It's a jungle. Of course, this is Borneo. What do you expect? It's going to keep on growing green. It's the rest of our group up front. Yours truly, aka the human sweat ball here, because I'm dying of sweat here. Not a breeze anywhere here. And there's a bridge in the back. We're going more back in the jungle, another jungle trail. We got about 50 minutes to go before we head back to the lodge for something and then go back out when it's dark. All right, turn it around here. There's a stoppage here. Water's dripping down off of my nose, so I'm going to turn this off momentarily here if I can. Okay, we're back on the move on the bridge here, coming up to our exit point here. A lot more safer here. I don't think I have to hold on here, although the bridge is still the same bridge, but you know how it is. All right, oh, big supports here. That looks impressive, made out of cement or concrete. That's reassuring. Oh, then we got a slippery little thing we have to go down here, and we're back in the jungle. It looks like another bridge over there that we're going to have to cross. All right, I gotta pay attention to what I'm doing here. Oh, I just came off the bridge. We're a little stop here. Looks like we're going to go in another walkway somewhere over there. All right.